Hello, my name is John from Paramour Forex Trader. I am a Forex financial markets trader. I am a day trader and I intend to share unique and valuable information and experiences with you, my dear friends, on this channel. If you are a trader, being in this channel makes me proud, and if you want to learn trading, I am sure that I can be your best companion so that everyone can taste the joy of earning dollars. So if you are interested in these videos, be sure to like and subscribe and hit the bell to be the first to know about my new video. If you have any questions, write to me. If you like it, send me a positive message, it gives me energy. I will try my best to present you at least 1 or 2 educational videos every week. Different aspects of Forex trading and different types of trading strategies and tips. Because the amount of content is too much, and I have to categorize them first, and I will share each one with you. Thank you and love you wherever you are in the world. I will see you soon.
Did you like it? Please join us. Subscribe our channel and watch other videos. Also, to receive daily free signals of currencies, gold, oil, and cryptocurrencies along with technical and fundamental analysis, please join our Instagram page. Please contact us via WhatsApp for more information. Our experts are available to all customers 24/7. If you have any questions or doubts, don't hesitate to contact us anytime. Paramour Forex Trader. Have a good time. Thanks and bye.